Alright, so we're going to reset our service A, service B, either one. We're going to reset that light. In order to do so, this is what you have to do. Alright, you have to be on this screen, no other screen. This has to be visible, your trip, your mileage. Alright, so we want to locate your OK button and your receive call button. You want to hold both of those buttons at the same time. Once that's done, you hold it for a few seconds and this will pop up. And we're going to go through the menu settings, go down to Assist Plus, full service. And we're looking for configure full service. Service carried out, yes. Alright, we're going to confirm. And full service carried out, and we're done.